small granules, precise processes, strictly control details, adhere to quality.
In 2013, Cocoly created a new category, granular water-soluble fertilizer, and focused on this category 14 years. A bag-qualified granular water-soluble fertilizer, from raw materials to loading, will experience hundreds of processes. Today, we came to Cocoly factory and learn how Cocoly confirms the quality. All raw materials are exclusively customized by Cocoly. After raw materials entering factory, the quality inspector will choose samples, then strictly inspect moisture, residue, content, and so on. Only qualified can the materials be put into production. The unqualified materials will be returned. Strictly abide by the quality.
Intelligent workshop.
The entire production line is equipped with PLC automated material system. It can monitor the status of raw materials, guaranteed fully water-soluble, and accurately control the nutrients. Here is our PLC automated material system. This equipment monitors temperature, pressure, and wind data in real time. Abnormal will alarm automatically. Intelligent monitoring the whole production process. We come to the standardized dust-free packaging workshop. Mirror flow and strict control dust. Excessive dust will directly affect the solubility. Clean environment firmly safeguards the product quality. Intelligent weighing, double confirm. The computer precisely monitors the weight, accuracy up to 0.01 grams. After packaging, the machine will inspect again. Each bag fertilizer has sufficient quantity and weight. Unqualified products will be directly screened.
Staff recheck. Confirm the weight, granule, moisture.
The package is made of 6 layers, specially added a layer of melt-blown fabric and waterproof. Protect beneficial bacteria and amino acid. Exclusive blue, anti-counterfeiting seal, 1 bag and 1 code. Check the full information through this code. Prevent counterfeiting product from the packaging source. Fully automated intelligent loading system. With 3-dimension vision scanning, automatic palletizing according to truck size. All truck is neat and 0 error. In 2013, Cocoly created a new category, granular water-soluble fertilizer. In 2024, Cocoly led drafting granular water-soluble fertilizer standard. Focusing on this category 14 years, Cocoly will continue to lead the category development, continuously update formula and production process, control quality with ingenuity and details, help global agriculture get good harvests.
中国的巧克力，世界的 Cocoly。